My name's Richard Bigsby and I'm a Senior Resource Management Planner with the Selwyn District Council. I like the variety of work. Being in Selwyn, there's a good mix of urban and rural. As part of the job, you get to travel to a variety of places throughout the district. So the district extends from Te Waihora, Lake Ellesmere, the Port Hills, right the way through to Arthur's Pass. And I like that there's a broad range of topography and environmental characteristics that need to be considered and balanced in any development applications that you assess. In my time working for the council, Rollaston's undergone a pretty rapid expansion and phase of growth, and so it's always satisfying to see things go from on paper to being part of that physical built environment. I've always had like a broad interest in the environment. I really enjoyed subjects like geography at high school, so I did my Bachelor of Environmental Management and Planning. Following on from that, did my Masters in Environmental Policy and Management. I really like the practical experience you get, so to be able to get out on site, seeing the physical environment, immersing yourself, so to be able to do that in a classroom setting and get that kind of practical exposure is really good. My degree had a focus on policy, and so perhaps something in the strategy and policy sphere might be in my future. We'll see what unfolds.